Welcome back, divas. It's your girl TX Beauty Queen 83 coming at you today with a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. And today I'm giving you part 2 of a 3-video series I'm going to be posting on my channel. I hope that you guys enjoy these makeup tutorials that I'm putting out for you guys. So the first video was soft and sweet glam. Today I'm giving you full coverage yet simple and sassy. So I hope that you guys like this look. It looks simple, but it is very full coverage and of course a bold popping lip. So if you guys are interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. Good morning, divas. I'm going to start this look out by color correcting. I've already primed my skin with my Too Faced Hang Up RX primer, and I also put on the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer in my T-zone. As you can see, we're going to do color correcting using one of my old favorites, the LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. And I'm just going to pat that out with my index finger. Next, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm going to be mixing 2 different colors. I'm going to be mixing my NC45 and my NW43, and I'm going to buff that in with a Makeup Academy buffing brush. I'm going to spray my face down with Fix Plus to kind of help me blend everything through. We're going for a full coverage look today. So Studio Fix Fluid is one of my old favorites. I'm just going to go in with a large concealer brush and do some detail work on my forehead around my brows because I just wanted to make sure that I didn't mess anything up. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Caramel. And then I'm going to be using another old favorite, and that's the Mayron Celebrate. And then I'm just going to blend that out on my face with my Beauty Blender. I love using cream products to contour with because I don't have to rush to blend everything out. I love to blend my concealer and my contour together because I feel like you get a more flawless outcome. I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus one more time to kind of help me blend and go right back in with that Beauty Blender and just make sure that everything is seamless. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Secret Yours, just a little bit to brighten up that under eye just a little bit more and blend that out with my Beauty Blender. And I'm using a small angled makeup brush to do that with. I don't even know. I think it's an e.l.f. brush and it's super old. Then I'll take a beauty blender and apply some of my Midnight Banana powder under the eye, just packing that on because I'm going to apply eyeshadow next.
And a world tour for 2017. So what that means is I'm going to need huge support from you guys. I dropped the link in the description where you guys can donate. Don't ever let anybody tell you you can't do something. Stay inspired. Peace.
So the eyes today, we're going to keep it really, really simple. And I'm just going to go in with some of my favorite Saddle by MAC. And I'm going to blend that through my crease with a 224 blending brush, also by MAC Cosmetics. And the look is honestly only going to be 2 eyeshadows because we want to keep it simple and classy. Next, I'm going to pull out one of my old favorite MAC eyeshadows, and that is Rice Paper. And I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And I'm using a no-name, really inexpensive, small shader brush to do that. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC 224 blending brush just to blend my crease out a little bit more, just to make sure that there aren't any harsh lines between the highlight brow bone and the crease. Next, I'll go in with my single shadow Swiss Chocolate by MAC, and it is also a matte eyeshadow. And I'm just going to pop that in on the outer V just to kind of deepen up the edge of the eye, but not too much. Then I'll take a Morphe pencil brush and take that Swiss chocolate color and blend that up under the eye just to add some definition to the bottom lash line. Not too much, just to kind of complete the eye. Then I'm going to take a Sephora powder brush and I'm just going to go ahead and dust off the excess Midnight Banana powder and go straight into my Stila Stay All Day black liquid liner. And I'm going to apply my wing liner. And I really love this one. I need to buy another one because it's starting to dry out. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using the 2 deep shades out of the Tan to Deep palette. And I'm going to be using a small contour brush by Morphe that I picked up at Ulta, and it was super inexpensive. It was only $10. So for some reason, I've been really into pink blushes lately. I really feel like it gives you a very youthful appearance to the face. I'm going to pick up Dolly Mix, and it's a sheer tone blush by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to blend it out upward in an upwards direction on my cheek using a Real Techniques blush brush. So here lately, I have been absolutely in love with Bobbi Brown. I've been really discovering the brand. I've never used it before. I'm using the new Sunset Glow highlighter, and I'm using that with a fan brush. I'm going to jump right into lips. I'm going to be using MAC Beat lip liner, and I really love this lip liner because it kind of is a mixture between red and pink, and it goes really well with the lipstick that I'm going to be wearing today. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to be picking up my Molly Cyrus, Viva Glam Molly Cyrus lipstick by MAC, and it is a amplified cream finish, and the texture is amazing, and it has a little bit of sheen to it. I just love it. I've been really into creamy lipsticks lately over matte. The combination of that lip liner and lipstick gave me the perfect Valentine's Day pink lip. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you soon. Okay, divas, I'm actually all done with this look. I hope that you guys like it. I love it. It's very full coverage. It's very glam, yet clean and simple. I'm actually about to head out the door to go do makeup for a wedding, so I'm super excited about that. You guys wish me luck. Until the next time, I will see you later. Bye.